Ka Trained Nurses Association of India TNAI West Giant Hills Unit haga khat artrik jemang kalaraki ka National Nurses ka badega snikha ka Florence Nightingales halor ka phang our nurses our future empowered nurse save lives ya ka jingalang las dang da ka jingthang ya ka sharak da ukongsan menteri ka tanat ka koi ka kya ka sarkar jila ma Wailadmiki Syllad ha library auditorium menthong juai Uma Wailadmiki Syllad ha ka jingkren open pau ka jing sngongu ka bakra wikinos halor ka jing IT lo jongki bat ka jing no senyang ka bakordor syakatanat ka koi ka kya Ula kren ru ya ka benta ka bakongsan bakinos kile ha ka bapenbiang ki jingshakri ha ka koi ka kya bat pen pau baka jing IT bat jing IT lo jongki ka pynkhlain ya ka tanat ka koi ka kya ha ka leng ka district Ula pen nguru halor ka jingduna doktor ha ka jila ha ka babon ki PHC ki batrekam tang da uwei ni om dan doktor da ka bakdaw ya ka kum kamat ka balas lambaha ban weng ya ka ni ka jingduna ula ong baka sarkar kala thawi ki medical college ki batamai kentop ya ka Shillong Medical College kabala datrekam lupa kumjo katura Medical College ringkat bat ka PE Sangma International Medical College hapo ka USDM
to this meaningful occasion.
QAD kibala ay jingkren kilong Deputy Commissioner u Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS ka DMHO ka Dr. P. Syllad ka Vice Principal NEA CON Klitershi ka kong Yudo Rabla nalwar kiway.
I'm so blessed. God has really blessed me to stand here. I think one of the youngest health minister in the state to not only to be able to just listen to you, but also to able to do some change or to bring some change. But looking at this program, I am so disappointed. Not disappointed to you, but disappointed at ourselves. That how come such an important program, why only from the nurses fraternity or only from health department are here? I would love to see that people from every section of the society should be here, celebrating together your contribution. No doubt in East Jaintia, the headman was there, the pastor was there, and other people were there. So I would like to see, and at the same time I will be giving direction to our DC, that from next year onward, I will like to see people coming and celebrating with you all. This is your day, actually. You should be just sitting and some other people should be performing from here for you. This is your special day. But it's so sad that we are only among ourselves here. This shouldn't be the way. I'll definitely have a word with my department and with the respected Deputy Commissioner that this day should be celebrated in a proper manner. And as I stand here today, as the Health Minister, as a representative from the government, I would like to take this opportunity to place my sincere thanks to all of you for your valuable contribution, which you have been giving. We know the kind of work you have to put, and especially right now, I know if we get the chance to sit and talk about the problem, it will not going to end. Because there are a lot of problems, a lot of challenges. I know there are still many PHC, CHC, sub-centers where you have to work for double, triple shift. I know even you are here sitting, but your mind is still somewhere else. know maybe that patient got serious or whether somebody is there. I know the kind of workload you are having. But at the same time, if you compare all these years, that a lot of effort have been put in, especially under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister. We could see that a lot of change is coming. The first thing I would like to share with you all, if we really want to bring change, the first thing we need is fun. So I'm very happy that under the leadership of our Chief Minister, 8% of the total budget allocation is given to the health department. The highest in the country. No other state is giving 8% of the budget allocation to the health department. Because we know we have a lot of things to do. And especially, we know that there is a shortage of manpower everywhere right now. Everywhere, I'll tell you. Except few hospitals who are in the urban area. But if we talk in general, there is a shortage everywhere. But why is this happening? Last time when I was preparing for my reply in the budget session, I was preparing myself, asking for data, asking for reply, asking for details. But I was so happy to see. I am so happy to see that the kind of the turnout in the OPD right now, the footfall of the patient in the government hospital, in PHC, CHC, even in sub-center for that matter, I'll tell you it is almost double. It's almost double. Which shows that the people are trusting our government institution. So it is a big, big achievement for us. But at the other hand, now all of a sudden there is a sudden surge of the patient coming in. So it's not easy for us to bring everything at one go. And especially for all of you, especially West Giant Hill district, like mentioned by the chairperson that we have a minister from our district. But still I will tell you, I'm not a magician where I can change everything in one night. Medical recruitment board. Now, we don't need to wait for the MPSC for recruitment. Anytime we require for the manpower, we can call for recruitment. Even now we are doing for doctors. Very soon we are going to do for nurses and other. So now at least we can recruit at any point of time. Now there is a huge shortage of doctors. Most of our PHC, I know, we are been functioning with a single doctor right now. But the problem is now there is no doctor available. Those who are there also, when we call for recruitment, they come. But when we give the posting, when they see that it is a rural posting, they didn't come to join. Those who went for medical from Meghalaya state quota, when they see that they get a rural posting, they pay the bond and walk somewhere else. So that is the challenges we are facing right now. Because there are very less doctors available right now. And this problem is just not 1-2 years back. I'm not standing here to point finger at anybody. But this should have been thought 15-20 years back. So that's why that this time, under the leadership of our Chief Minister and our former Health Minister, we took the bold decision that we should start
our medical college. We should start our medical college, and I'm so happy to announce to all of you that the first session of the Shillong Medical College is already started. Now 50 doctors will come. After 5 years, 50 numbers of doctors will come to the state. Not only that, we are trying our level best to start the next session of the Tura Medical College. We are recruiting faculty right now. If everything goes well, by next session we'll have the Tura Medical College. And we already have the PA Sangma International Medical College in USTM, where 60 to 70 of our students from Meghalaya, they are studying there, pursuing MBBS. 150 in Tura and 60, 70 from here. And we have the central pool, which we have right now, where around almost 80 to 90 we used to get from the central pool. Along with that, 5 years from now, not less than 250 to 300 doctors will be coming to our state. At that point of time, then only they will come and ask us, put us anywhere, but just give us job. Like what is happening with the nurses right now. Because we have huge number of nurses, now we are facing difficulties to employ them, to accommodate them. So the same thing will happen 5 to 6 years from now. So that's why, like I said, that the government is already trying its best. And not only that, when I took charge of the health department, I called my department and I asked them, okay, show me what is the roadmap. What is the roadmap? In order for us to achieve, for us to able to give that affordable and accessible health care to our people of the state. But I was so surprised to know that there is none. It's not easy because we need to have a roadmap. Government is giving so much of money. Today, yesterday, before me, there was some other health minister. If there is no roadmap, she will do as she see fits. Today I am here, I will do as I see fit. Then tomorrow, if anybody will come, then he will do as he see fits. But I think we need to have a roadmap. We need to follow a roadmap. Then only we'll be able to do all these things. And I would like to share with you all. And there was so many things in health department. I still remember when I first inducted in a minister, I got my portfolio, my friend called me. Then he was telling, okay, which department you get? Then I proudly say, no, I get health department and sports and some other department. Then he said, oh, you got the department Bashatim, huh? Means that the health department is a department where you cannot satisfy people. There will be lapses. There will be problems. But we are here to fight. We are here to work. And then I was so surprised to see that there were, especially from the administrative point of view, there were so many problems. Nurses they came to me, those bonded nurses. Sir, we were drawing scale pay. We are getting everything as a regularized staff. But all of a sudden they are saying that we are not regularized. We have to appear for the exam again. The pharmacist came and met me. Sir, for a very long time we didn't get our promotion. Why? No service rule. And for many even the lab technician or that elite group which they call, the doctors till now, I was so surprised to hear that they never used to get their promotion on time. They have to wait for months and years. And just before coming here, some nurses was, during their speech, they were telling me that, sir, there are different nurses which they perform same kind of work, but their pay are different. So please look into that. At least for we should get same pay for same kind of work. So there are a lot of things in health department which I told my officers that please, I don't want to see my people working in the health department coming for their personal problem. Personal problem means with the health department. They should not come for me that they are not getting their salary on time. They should not come to me for their service rule and other thing. We should, I know there are a lot of things which we cannot do, but these are the things which we can do. And also we already try to decentralize as much as we can. We already passed in the cabinet the outcome-based budgeting, where the fund will be given to the district, to the hospital, for anything, for any small thing. You don't need to go to Shillong, you don't need to wait for the permission from the director. At your level, you can take care of it. So we are trying to decentralize, we are trying to do a lot of things. We have just recently called the tender for the quarters, because in many of the discussion, we always, it always comes that the doctors, the nurses, they always hesitate to go to rural posting because there is no proper place to stay. There is no quarters. That also we have already called tender. I think maximum of the numbers we have been called, and we will do. We will try to give the provide quarters to all the facilities. So there are a lot of things going on, but like I said, we cannot do all these things at one go. It will take little bit of time.
It is a privilege and an honor to be present today here as a guest of honor for the inauguration of the Nurses Day 2026. I express my heartfelt gratitude to the Trained Nurses Association of India for inviting me to this meaningful occasion. Today we gather here not merely to celebrate a day, but to recognize a profession that stands at the very heart of our healthcare system. Nursing is not just a career, it is a calling that demands compassion, resilience, a skill, and an unwavering commitment to humanity. On this special occasion, we also pay tribute to the legacy of Florence Nightingale, whose pioneering word laid the foundation for the modern nursing. Her spirits continue to inspire generations of nurses who serve selflessly across hospitals, clinics, and other health establishments. In every moment of crisis, be it in the public emergency, natural disaster, or everyday medical care, it is our nurses who stand as the first line of support and the last pillar of hope. Their roles goes far beyond administering treatment. They provide comfort, dignity, and emotional strength to the patients and their families during the most vulnerable times. As a Deputy Commissioner, I witnessed firsthand the critical contribution of the nurses in strengthening our healthcare system delivery, especially in the challenging and the remote areas where you all have been there. Your dedication ensures that the quality healthcare reaches even to the most undeserved section of the society and to the far-flung areas of the society. I commend that the Trained Nurse Association of India for its continued efforts in advocating for the welfare, professional growth, and empowerment of nurses. Such platform plays a vital role in building a stronger, more capable healthcare workforce. On this Nurses Day, I urge all of you to contribute and continue striving for excellence, to uphold the highest standards of care, and to remain steadfast in a noble mission. Your work does not go unnoticed, and your contribution is deeply appreciated. Thank you.
Praises for haka.